Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix if your iMessage is not working. So if you have upgraded your iPhone to the latest version but now the iMessage is not working, then I'm going to show you how you can fix this problem on your iPhone. So let's get start the video. Let's fix this issue. So before we start the video guys, hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more upcoming videos. So the first step is make sure that iMessage is turned on. So to check that, go to setting, click on messages and make sure that iMessage is turned on. So if it's turned off, make sure that you turn it on. So after this guys, make sure that your iMessage is activated. So if you see waiting for activation error, so that means your iMessage is not activated. So make sure that you activate it. So you can close it and you can activate your iMessage and make sure that it's not on waiting for activation error. So if you see this error, that means your iMessage is not activated. So just wait. So you can go to send and receive and select your email or phone number so that you can see. Then you go back to setting and you can see that there is no error. So that means iMessage is activated. So if you are still not can't send or receive the SMS, make sure that you turn this off, send as SMS. So once you have done this, now go back. Now make sure that you restart your iPhone once. So to do that, go to setting and click on general. You can also click on shutdown and simply shut down your iPhone. So once you have done this, now make sure that you update your iPhone to the latest version. So if you haven't updated your iPhone and if you go to the setting and you see an update, make sure that you download that update and install it on your iPhone. So if you have updated your iPhone, then you don't need to update it. So after this, you can just sign out your Apple ID from your iPhone and sign it back. So the last step you need to do is you need to reset network setting of your iPhone so you won't lose any of your data. To do that, go to general, scroll down, click on transfer reset, click on reset, click on reset network setting, then enter your iPhone passcode, then click on done, then click on reset network setting. So guys, once you have done all these steps, go back to my messages, delete the chat, now start the chat again. Now try to send text. So as you can see, now it's working. So this is how you can fix if you are getting the iMessage error, you can't send or receive the text. So this is how you can fix the problem. So hope this video helps you. If it does, then leave a like and comment. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Peace out.